Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video we are just quickly gonna do the discussion about some of the important points, mainly about the new batch course which is starting today on Unacademy Plus. So if you think like you need some guidance by the top educators, you need to improve your preparation, you want to take your preparation to a more better and the good level, so then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription as well. But how the Unacademy Plus subscription and all these important courses will help you, I will quickly provide you the information regarding that now. So guys, there we are gonna have doubt clearing sessions in each and every course after some number of sessions. For example, after 3 sessions, the 4th session will be doubt clearing session. Then again 3 sessions will be there, the 4th session doubt clearing session. So we are having the regular doubt clearing sessions in this way, okay, after some number of sessions. So if you will have any doubt in the previous classes discussion, you can ask about the doubts in the doubt clearing sessions easily and you can get them clear. Done. Also guys, we will have the mock test, the other test going on Unacademy Plus. With the help of these tests, you will be able to analyze your preparation. That whatever you are preparing, how well you are able to relate those points, concepts, topics with the questions in the exam or the test. So this is how you will be ready with this part too. Also guys, the time management you can work on with these tests and important things for your upcoming exam. The other point is, with the guidance of top educators, by knowing about the important strategies by the top educators, by completing the important topics in the guidance of top educators, like there will be so many things you will learn, the tricks, the concepts and many other things. So which will surely help you to take your preparation to a very good level, and with the help of which you will be able to target like good rank in the exam, you will be able to score good marks in the exam. And this is the time like when you can start your preparation and even can do a very good preparation with many important well structured and well planned courses going on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation. And to take the subscription, what you need to do, you just need to download the Unacademy learning app, select your exam like CSR UGC NET and proceed further to take the subscription, or directly on Google you can search Unacademy Plus and you can proceed further to take the subscription. Whenever you are going to take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code which is Anjali Arora as mentioned here. No space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it, and you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount in this way. Also guys, this is the information about the new batch course which is gonna start today, okay. Also what we mean by the batch course, that is if in a course different educators are going to conduct the sessions, so that is a batch course. For different subjects, different educators are going to conduct the sessions. Along with this batch course, many other courses are going on, many other new courses will start in upcoming days. Also guys, one more thing here I would like to tell you, that let's say today you are taking the subscription and there is any course which is already going on. Some of the sessions of that course have already been conducted. So don't worry about that, because recordings of those sessions will be available to you and you will be able to cover up that part. So this is how you will not miss anything and you will be able to cover up everything in this way. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. And yeah, whenever you are gonna take the subscription, you can even use and apply the referral code which is Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen, because you will get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount after using and after applying this referral code. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you. And also you will keep on getting many other videos on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, and that's why you can even subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and I will keep on providing you many other important concepts, questions in the upcoming videos too. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.